Today, we go beyond reality. For years, robotics kits have been limited by the constraints of physical materials. We saw that as an opportunity. Through a groundbreaking fusion of quantum optics, photonic transparency, and advanced ray manipulation, we've achieved something never seen before. Literally. Introducing the Avishkaar all-in-one Invisible Robotics Kit, the world's first fully spectral and non-visible robotics experience. Each component is precision engineered using hyper-transparent nanopolymers, making it a 100% functional yet undetectable by the human eye. The math just checks out. Every gear, every wire, invisible but powerful. We performed a high-grade quality test to build the most child-friendly part. With these, you can build an entire robot in 30 seconds. No mess, no missing parts, just innovation. Allow your child to learn by imagination. This will revolutionize not just STEM, but the way we perceive reality itself. Because the future isn't just bright, it's completely invisible. Pre-order now, exclusively available on April 1st.